11 amazing psychological facts about women. Men tend to fall in love after just 3 days. But women don't fall in love until date 14. Being called baby has a positive effect on the female brain, causing instant emotional stress relief. Women are more attracted to guys who make an effort to start the conversation, showing initiative and consistency. Women love to shop. It is the one area of the world where they feel like they're actually in control. Women are more influenced by how a man smells than how he looks. Men, choose your fragrance wisely. When a woman stares at you after you've explained yourself, she's actually wondering why you're lying. Looking nice is important to every woman. Genuine compliments will take you a long way. Small things matter. Surprise gifts. Flowers. Holidays are always welcome. A woman can easily smell danger and you can count on her instincts in dealing with strangers. Women like forehead kisses above everything.